Hi friends, I'm back with another fun story. This one is called Hiccup. Did you ever get the hiccups? Hiccup by Mercer Mayer. And you know, I love Mercer Mayer books. Let's check this one out together, shall we? Oh, remember, if you like this, please click like below to let me know that you enjoy this kind of a story. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so you don't miss out on any of the read aloud fun to come. This one's a little bit different. Wait till you see. I see pictures but no words. So let's think, what could be happening? It looks like he might be inviting her for a boat ride. Is that what you think? My goodness. Look, she's climbing onto the boat and he's helping. What a nice man. Uh-oh. She's got the hiccups. Oh my goodness. She has the hiccups bad, doesn't she? What could happen next? Oh my goodness. What do you notice? Look, he has a drink. Maybe it's water. And he dumped it on her. I think he's thinking that will help cure her hiccups. Maybe it will startle her and make her stop hiccuping. But look at her face. How do you think she feels about that? I don't see Hiccup anymore, but she looks angry, doesn't she? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, what's happening now? She doesn't look angry anymore. There's two friends riding in the boat, in the canoe, and they are enjoying maybe like a picnic lunch together. Uh-oh. There she goes. She's got the hiccups again, and look at his face. He looks so angry, doesn't he? Boo! Oh my goodness. Have you ever heard that scaring people sometimes makes their hiccups go away? I think he's trying to scare the hiccups out of her, and it looks like it scared her. I don't see hiccups anymore. Now they're happily riding in the canoe again. My goodness. Oh dear. She's got the hiccups again, and he looks so mad. Oh my goodness. It looks like he's about to hit her with the oar. That wouldn't be good. She looks really scared. I wonder if he's trying to scare her hiccups away again. Oh, that's not nice. He actually hit her with the oar. Shame on him. That's not nice. She looks like maybe he didn't. Oh, he's smiling. I think maybe he stopped just before he hit her. And, oh, I don't know. She looks kind of angry. I think he did. And she's like, what'd you do that for? Oh, dear. Now she's got the hiccups worse than ever. He is so irritated by her hiccups. He's pushing her into the water. Sorry, my dog is scratching. Now, he's the only one in the canoe. And he looks very happy about it, doesn't he? Sorry about that. That's Cinnamon. She apparently wanted to come say hi to you all. Look at that big old splash. He is helping her back out of the water, which is nice. But boy, look at her face. She looks super angry at him, doesn't she? Oh my word. She's so angry, she turned her back like she went, huh, I'm not even going to look at you anymore. What is he doing? Oh, he got her umbrella, and it looks like he gave it back to her. She's still going, She's really annoyed. Oh, they're all done with their ride, it looks like. And he is helping her back out, but she still looks like she's going, I'm not going to talk to you. Now look who's going. He got the hiccups now, and she is laughing. She thinks it's so funny. Uh-oh. He has bad hiccups, and she looks annoyed. She suddenly decided to get him over the head with her umbrella. This doggy's being silly, isn't she? Oh my word, that's not nice. Maybe she's trying to scare the hiccups out of him now. Sorry, the pages are folded together. Uh-oh. He's falling, and she said, boo! Oh my goodness, I think he's gonna land right in the water. And look at her face. Do you see? She's sticking her tongue out like she's going, that's what you get for what you did to me. And he looks annoyed. Oh my word. And it says, the end. Did you know that you can read stories that have very few words or even no words at all? Just like I just did with you. You look at the picture and you think about what you see and you make up your own story. That's a lot of fun to do. I'll have some more of these to share with you too. Remember, if you enjoyed this, click like below, and I will see you next time.